Hirap po kasing gumalaw pag
It's very difficult if you don't have your own house and all of our things washed out.
ang hirap pong tanggapin.
It's hard to accept because it's very difficult to build a house.
Sobrang ang sama, ang sakit.
It's a heartache.
Sana po
I hope that the government will help us build a new house and provide
kahit papaano po. Matulungan din po.
basic necessities because our things are washed away.
Kasi naanod po yung iba.
Yung unang bahay doon kasi, nadali na ng malaking alon.
A house from that was first wrecked by towering waves, and then we ran, and when he looked back, all the houses here were washed out, and all of us back to zero.
Kaya, back to zero kami lahat.
Malakas ng hangin na
There are strong winds and big waves as high as mountains, and I pray to God to take care of us.
sabi ko, bahala na ang Panginoon sa mangyayari diyan.
This house is 33 years old already, and it's the first time to experience such here. That's why I felt bad. But what can we do about it?
Pagdating po doon sa
Our crops is 100% totally damaged, while 50% of houses in coastal areas were severely to totally damaged.
po, halos lalo tigit sa mga tabing dagat, totally was out po ang karamihan. Itong malakas po ang hangin.
The strong winds and rain created landslide, and as you can see in our mountains, there are lines which are landslide.
Sa sobrang lakas ng ulan sa kahangin. Kaming dumating na bagyo, pero
There are a lot of typhoon passed here like last year. Typhoon Pepito has strong winds and no big waves now. The waves are towering like tsunami, and houses that can't be reached by waves now washed out. The wind is signal number 3, but the waves is very strong, destroying our resorts and houses totally washed out.
yung hangin naman number 3, pero malakas pa rin. Kaya lang iba talaga yung dating ng alon, talagang mga resource namin sira, di ba mga kabahayan halos.